Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss about the close pack structure. Close pack structure in one dimension. There is only one way of arranging spheres, that means constituent particle, atom or molecule in a one dimensional close pack structure. In one dimensional close pack arrangement, the coordination number is 2. Here we see these three spheres arranged in a one dimensional way. That means the center sphere, atom or constituent particle having contact between the two neighboring spheres. That means coordination number in the one dimension is 2. What is the coordination number? The number of nearest neighbor of a particle is called its coordination number. Now, close pack in two-dimensional. Two-dimensional close pack structure can be generated by placing the row of close pack sphere. This can be done in two ways. First is the square close pack. In which each constituent particle contact with the four neighboring constituent particle. That means the coordination number is 4. And second is the hexagonal close pack, in which the packing efficiency is high. That means one row is closely packed with the other row. In SCP, hexagonal close pack in two dimensions, the coordination number is 6. Close pack arrangement in the three dimension. Our real structure are the three dimensional structure. Three dimensional close pack from two dimensional square close pack layer. This lattice is of AAA type arrangement. The lattice generated is a simple cubic lattice, and unit cell is the primitive cubic unit cell. Primitive cubic unit cell, that means the constituent particle present only at the corner. Three-dimensional close packing from the two-dimensional hexagonal close pack layer. When sphere of the second layer is placed above the void of the first layer, that means like this. These three spheres of the first, the sphere of the second layer place on this. Now the void is generated from this four constituent particle. This void is called tetrahedral void. When the triangular void in the second layer are above the triangular void in the first layer, to form the octahedral void, which are simultaneously surrounded contact between the six sphere. First from the three from the first layer and 3 from the second layer. And the coordination number in the octahedral void is 6. That means 6 atoms come in contact, first 3 from the first layer and 3 from the second layer. The number of these two type of void depend on the number of the close pack sphere. If the number of close pack sphere be n, then the number of octahedral void is equal to the n. And number of tetrahedral void is double that of the number of constituent particle, number of close pack sphere. This sphere is nothing but the constituent particle, which may be atom, ion or molecule. In both SCP and CCP method of stacking, a sphere is in contact with the 6 of the other in its one layer. This is a tetrahedral void and this is a octahedral void. SCP and CCP, when second layer occupied by the sphere of the third layer, there are two possibilities: covering the tetrahedral void of the second layer. This is called a AB pattern, and this is also called a hexagonal close pack structure in the three dimension. An example are magnesium and zinc. In this case, the coordination number is 12 and the packing efficiency is 74%. When second layer occupy the sphere of the third layer, there is a second possibility by covering the octahedral void of the second layer to generate ABC type pattern. ABC type pattern. This is called the cubic close pack structure or the face center cubic structure. An example are copper and silver. Coordination number is 12 also, and packing efficiency also 74%. In both SCP and CCP three-dimensional structure, the packing efficiency 74% and the coordination number also 12. Placing the third layer over the second layer. This is the same covering the tetrahedral void. By the covering the tetrahedral void of the second layer may be covered by the sphere of the third layer. In this case, the sphere of the third layer are exactly aligned with the rows of the first layer. Thus, the pattern of the sphere is repeated in the alternate layer. This pattern is often known as the AB type pattern. This structure is called a hexagonal close pack structure. This type of arrangement present in the magnesium and zinc. This is a hexagonal close pack arrangement in the three dimensional. And second is the covering the octahedral void. Covering the octahedral void of the second layer, when spheres are arranged, the new layer is formed. This is called the C type. The arrangement is called the C type. And only the fourth layer is placed if spheres are aligned with that of the first layer. This type of pattern is called the ABC type pattern. This is also called a cubic. The structure is called a cubic close pack or face center cubic FCC structure. This type of arrangement present in the silver and copper. Packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particle. Packing efficiency in SCP and CCP are 74%. CCP is also called FCC. Packing efficiency in BCC is equal to 68% and packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice is equal to 52.4%. From these three types of the arrangement, SCP and CCP have maximum packing efficiency, which is a 74%. Now, how calculate this packing efficiency in the simple cubic structure? Let the A be the edge length of the unit cell and R is the radius of the sphere. R is the radius of this sphere and A is the edge length. As the sphere are touching each other in the simple cubic arrangement, sphere are touching each other. The number of atom per unit cell is equal to the 8 constant particle present at the corner. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1, and volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And therefore, the volume of the cube, that means volume of this cube, A is the edge length, that means A cube. Volume of the cube is equal to A cube, and A is equal to 2R. That means two spheres are touched to each other. That means the A is equal to the 2R. And volume occupied by all the sphere in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell. Packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by all the sphere in the unit cell divided by the total volume of the unit cell is equal to the 1 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 pi r cube into 8 r cube is equal to the volume is equal to 52.4%. And now the packing efficiency in the body center cubic. Body center cubic arrangement in which the constituent particle present at the corner as well as center of the cube. In this diagram, in this structure, we see that AFD. A is the constituent particle present at the corner, D is also the one corner, and F is the another corner, and AF is the diagonal. AF is the diagonal. Then length of the diagonal is equal to C square is equal to A square plus B square. A square plus B square. But in the another triangle, that means ADF, in which the diagonal EFD, in which the diagonal is the B, and EF is equal to the A and ED is equal to B. Then A square plus A square is equal to B square, and in this case C square is equal to B square plus A square, and C square is equal to 2A square plus A square, and C square is equal to 3A square, C is equal to under root 3A, and radius of this sphere is equal to the R. That means total distance of the C, AF, is equal to the C is equal to the 4R, and 4R is equal to root 3A. 4R is equal to the root 3A. A is the edge length, R is the radius of the sphere or the radius of the constant particle or the atom, and volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. A is equal to 4R by root 3 cube is equal to 64 R cube divided by 3 root 3. And number of the sphere in BCC is equal to 2. Therefore, the packing efficiency is equal to the volume occupied by the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell is equal to the 68%. Now, packing efficiency in CCP and SCP. CCP is also called and SCP, and CCP is also called as the FCC, in which the constant particle present at the corner as well as the center of the each face. Let R be the radius of the sphere and A be the edge length of the cube. As there are 4 spheres in the FCC unit cell, that means contribution is number of atoms per unit cell. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. 6 spaces, and contribution is with the 2 unit cells. 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3, and 8 into 1 by 8, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Number of atoms, there are 4 spheres in the FCC, and volume of the 4 pair is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. AC is the diagonal. In this case, in the triangle ADC, AC is the diagonal square. B square is equal to A square plus A square, and B square is equal to 2A, and B is equal to root 2A, but B is equal to 4R, and 4R is equal to root 2A, and A is equal to 4 divided by root 2R, and volume of the cube is equal to 2 root 2 R cube. And in this case, the packing efficiency is higher than BCC and simple cubic unit cell. And packing efficiency in the CCP and FCC is higher compared to the other two arrangements, simple cubic and body center cubic unit cell. Thank you.